an important announcement by SEBI, and that is a possible reduction in trade settlement time. We are given to understand, Ashish, that trade settlement, which was made to T+1 this year, and when India became the second country to do so in the world for that matter, that trade settlement window is going to further narrow to not 24 hours, but perhaps 1 hour by next year. What does it mean for traders?
Is it party time for the last
Yes, for traders, for investors, for brokers, it's quite positive because now, because of the challenges that brokers are facing, that you have sold any stock today, you are not getting the limits again on the same day. It's hampering a lot of their volumes. At the same time, investors are not also able to trade whenever they give deliveries, they don't get margin. But if trades are settled one day, every 1 hour you are getting fresh limits, and I'm expecting brokers' volume will really go up once this development takes place post March 2024.
Right, I have two questions to ask on that. One is that, do you think that kind of a move will encourage more retail investors to participate in India's stock markets, knowing that this is the way things are going to go? 1 hour, you will know. And then, second question is, will something like this lead to greater volatility in the stock markets? Now that you can get settlements in 1 hour, will decision making change because of something like that?
So volatility is not the function like that you are having settlement every 1 hour, so you keep on churning money.
No, the way people trade, the way they think, right now they might be that much more skeptical because, okay, you know what, this trade settlement is going to take at least a day. Before that, it's going to be 2 days, 3 days. Let me think twice before buying or selling. But now that this can happen at this pace, do you think, the market participants will think differently? That's my question one. And second is, of course, those who are watching on the sidelines, people who are yet to invest in India stock markets directly. Do you think it will bring them on board?
So as far as those people who are sitting on the fence and watching market to go up, generally they'll come through mutual fund. I'm not expecting that because of 1 hour settlement they will start unnecessary trading and
will not affect their risk appetite. Not going to affect their risk appetite. All right.
It won't. But still, I think the major beneficiaries is going to be a broking community which will get higher one.
All right, and that of course is big news that is coming in by the way of SEBI. Let's quickly get our viewers to once again go through what's happened here. Remember, markets currently follow T+1 cycle, but the regulator now plans to overhaul settlement process, reduce the time taken. SEBI is gearing up to implement 1 hour settlement of trades by March of 2024. It expects instantaneous settlement to also come into effect by October of 2024. So by October 2024, it would be instantaneous. You wouldn't even have to wait 1 hour. This is revolutionary.
Absolutely.
Remember, hasn't really happened anywhere
else in the world.
Yeah. So good job there as far as SEBI is concerned, gearing up for a lot better process, a faster process, more efficient process, and it is of course this expects that the money would be expedited. It will come into your account very, very quickly. Remember, we migrated to T+1 cycle in January of this year. Yes. So within a year from now, we are going to have those processes.
That's some scorching pace of growth and evolution in India's stock markets. Indian stock markets being one of the first in the world to, first of all, do away with paper trading and get onto electronic trading as well. From there to now getting an instantaneous settlement, what a journey it's been for India's stock market.
Absolutely. Ashish, thanks very much for joining in, for your inputs. We will, of course, try and get you back as soon as we can. But thanks very much for taking time out.
Thank you.